Hey guys, I'm Chien and today I would like to start a new training course for the DotNetNuke. This is a leading .NET CMS for the open source. Okay, here I will open the DotNetNuke website. The I will call it the DNN platform open source .NET CMS. It is free one and open source and the foundation of the DNN EVOQ product offering over 750,000 organizations worldwide have built website powered by using the DNN platform. And of course, so here we have, because it is powerful and free, so here we should learn it. Okay, cool. So now here, before we start to work with the DotNetNuke, we have to prepare some the working environment for this. The first thing, we have to install the Internet Information Services on the Windows PC, and after that you have to install the SQL Server on your PC to keep the database for DNN. Okay, cool. So now here I will start to work on installing the IIS server on my PC. Okay, follow my step. You open the control panel on the Windows PC, and here I'm using the Windows 10 versions. Okay, click on the program, and here under the program and feature, you click on the turn Windows feature on or off. Okay, here by default, after you install after you just set up the Windows 10 on the PC, we don't have the .NET Framework 3.5 option here. Select. So here you go ahead to select this. Okay, and after that, scroll down. Here we have the Internet Information Services. You click on the plus button here to expand. Okay, so you select the web management tool and select all of the options here to install the worldwide web services. Expand it, and you can go ahead to select all of the info or the option underneath of the worldwide web services here. Okay, just select and select here. Okay, yes. So after you select all of the option underneath of the worldwide web services, you click on OK button to perform the action for install the, 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 the Internet Information Services on your Windows PC. Okay, and after that you have to wait until the installation is done. Cool. Okay, here because I already installed the IIS server on my PC here, so I don't want to uninstall it and install it again. Okay, button. Cool. So now I will close this one. So you want to make sure that you have just installed the IIS server on your PC successfully. So you have to open the browser and type the localhost for testing. Okay, cool. I will type the localhost. Localhost. Oh no. Here. So when you type the localhost on the browser, if you see this page Internet Information Services in the blue here, that means you have just installed the Internet Information Services successfully on your Windows PC. And after that, you can go ahead with the next step. You can install the SQL Server on your PC. Okay, so the DotNetNuke will use the SQL Server for hosting the database, so we have to install it. Here I also install the SQL Server 2014 version on my PC. Here I have another video to guide you how to install the SQL Server on the Windows PC, and I will put it into the description section of this video. So if you don't know how to install it by yourself, you can follow this video. Okay, so I think this is for today, and after we finish this video, you know how to install the IIS server on the PC, and also we have to install the SQL server as well on the PC for hosting the database. Okay, cool. So in the next day, I will talk about how to hosting and install the DNN on the PC and run it under the IIS. Okay, hope this video will helpful for you, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye and see you later.